Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unboxing video. Oh, I got something from Louis Vuitton. I already opened it. I got it a week ago. Yeah, a week ago today. Opened it, I was too excited to see it, so it didn't come with a ribbon or anything, but I'll show you guys. Drop the day. Came with this little, what this is called, receipt and a little thing to send it back if I need to. Not sending it back. Dun, dun, dun. I got the Sarah wallet. My favorite designer is definitely Louis Vuitton, so I had to get this. I was just in the mood for a wallet, a nice wallet, so I bought it. But it has the authentication stuff right here. It's real. It's real. Bought it off the website. Period. No, I wanted to get the Clements. However you say Clements. I'm gonna say Clements. I wanted to get the Clements wallet, but it's sold out online. I didn't know that meant you could call and try to find it. But I'm glad I got this one actually. Better because I didn't want the zipper, you know, wear and tear. This is easy little click and you're done. It comes with all these different pockets, so it has 6 in the front, 6 right here, and then 6 in the back. And it comes with a slot right there and a slot right here, and then this little pouch to put my money in. I hate pouches that don't close at the bottom, so the pouch is just open. And then it comes with a thing back here. The liner pieces are an investment. The style could go out of stock and never return, and it could be valued for more than I bought it. Later down the road, I could sell it, my money back. I've just been having this realization that I want to see my money in my face. Instead of it going to, let's see, DoorDash, Amazon, buying random stuff, Uber Eats, fast food stuff that it's in my mouth and then in the toilet in the next sentence. So this is where my money is. I see it every day. I'm gonna use it every day. Investment piece, I'm seeing my money right here. I didn't just get this, I got my bag as well to match, because I didn't want to just carry around a wallet and then have this in a Target purse. Are you kidding? H&M? Ooh, no, I had to pair her with her sister, period. So yeah, I got a purse and it's coming in the mail. It's a LV World Tour, so it was custom made. So it's gonna take 8 to 10 weeks to get here, and I'm only on week 2 of ordering. Yeah, I ordered 2 weeks ago. So I was gonna film this video when I got the purse, but I didn't want to wait that long, and then I could just have 2 separate videos done. But yeah, it smells like leather. This is what I got. I love it, and I can't wait for my purse to get in here. I'll really make an unboxing. I was just impatient. I wanted to see this. That's why I opened it, but I'll really not look at it and film my bag unboxing. Is Gucci still canceled? Because I was on the website and I'm thinking about getting some flip-flops. And I seen a cute bag I liked, so is Gucci canceled or what? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see what bag I got to match this. Bye guys.